Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 71 registered Citroen Berlingo 650 Enterprise. Lovely van this, in the light grey metallic paint finish, so that's a factory option, the light grey paint work. 2 keys with it, a wonderful vehicle. We know the vehicle and it's in exceptional order throughout. So let's have a look around it. So the grey light metallic paint's in really great condition, as one would expect for the age, and the van then has got the flush fitting wheel trims on, which are all in fantastic condition. Now the van, as you walk round it, it really does look as new. So we've got the front spot lamps there in the Pro. These vans are fully loaded with all the nice features. Now on a day like today, the air conditioning is ice cold. As we look down the side of the van, we can see that it's in super condition. All the paint work is in high gloss finish. Very nicely kept, this van. On the rear there we get parking sensors, and they also, on the screen of the centre of the car, it lights up as well. All the wheel trims are in wonderful order throughout, so everything about it is in super condition. The light grey metallic paint looks fantastic in this light, and this colour has to be the best colour you can buy a Citroen Berlingo van in. Europe's best-selling small van, these. 3 seats in the front, 1.5 diesel engine, capable of over 60 miles to the gallon. But as I say, the technology pack in these is wonderful. So as you can see, as we pop in, we've got a super clean interior, and as one would expect, electric windows, electric door mirrors, and then the interior is in great order in this sunshine. 3 seats here, so you can have your children, if you've got a van that you can use as well for the weekends, this is the van for you. So 2 keys, 26,226 miles. I'm just going to start the engine. Just bear with me, put the key in. So 26,226 miles, as I said. Now this van has automatic lights, we get cruise control, we get wipers obviously with onboard computer on the end of them, and then we've got the radio details. Now the air conditioning, as I sit in here now, is ice cold. Android Auto mirror link, so obviously your sat nav, look at that, 31 degrees in Wigan on at 11:50. So you can put the sat nav once you link your phone to it, as when you press this button here, it tells you that you need to connect your phone, and then your mirror link and your Apple CarPlay goes on there. Obviously we've got the radio there, DAB radio, and we've got Bluetooth telephone. This one has a 5-speed gearbox. We've got an automatic handbrake. Underneath the middle seat we've got a storage box for your computer or your sandwiches or anything like that. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner wasn't a smoker. There's plenty of storage in these vans. You've then got up over the roof there to put your invoices. Everything's here then, light controls. Selecting reverse, the screen comes up there, and then also it gives you the beepers as well. Steering's adjustable, height adjustment on the driver's seat as well. You can lock the back of the van on that button there, or unlock it without getting out the vehicle. All the carpets on rubber mats, shall we say, are all in great condition. No sealer, cigarette burns, paint damage or anything on that factory steel bulkhead. So let's have a look in the back, because that's where it's got plywood lining. As I say, you've got the parking sensors on the back bumper. Plywood line there from new. Very light traffic, these. Engineering company owned. We've had a couple off these, they've just upgraded. Now, you're going to ask me what that is there. That is the load through net, which I'm going to demonstrate to you now. So on these vans, this has got to be the best idea, and it's genius. This, absolute genius, Rodney, as Del Boy would say. So this little panel drops down here and gives you access into the other driver's area. So if you've got ladders or 3x2, 6x2, whatever your twos are, you can drop this seat down like so, and then you can load through, and it gives you that metre extra in length. Now not only can you do that, but also if you're an engineer with a toolbox, you can pop this seat up like so. It locks in like that, and then you've got this area here maybe to put a big box or further storage. So if we place this down, now this gets even better, and this centre seat, that, if you just excuse the camera for one moment, that then drops down as such, and you then get this computer desk. So that's that way, or if your apprentice is filling his invoices in as you're driving along, is that way, and you've got coat hangers built into them as well. Just genius, that. I showed a guy that the other day and he said, gosh, we've had these vans in our fleet for years. He said, and I didn't even know it did that. So there you go. Wonderful van, that. Pop that up, so that's the thing that rolls through so you don't damage the glove box. Side loading door. Tyres are all mint on it. Now, services on these are every 2 years or 25,000 miles, so it's not ready for its first service yet. But what a cracker. 2 keys, full book packs in the glove box, metallic paint finish. You're not VAT registered, this one's got plus VAT, so remember that. But if you're not VAT registered, I can do the VAT for you in the finance figure. So if you're working on a budget, we can make that here in Wigan for you. So be quick on this one. As I say, the last couple of it, the website, and they've literally been gone within a couple of days. These types of vans are now on hard to get, price has gone up, all of that you hear, but this is available today at Alpha in Wigan. I'm Graham, we've got Lee and Dom on sales. Check out our reviews, check out our Facebook, check out our socials. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting vehicles from us. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.